welcome back to the YouTube channel. And it's been a while since I posted a video, so we're here to change that. Without any interruptions or delay, let's get straight into our weekly breakdown of what I expect this week to do on the charts. So we're looking at the news for this week. Um, pretty tame week. Monday we have no real news. Um, so Monday more than likely might be a day we just looking at the markets. Friday they can give us an expansion, which we'll get into just now. But we see in Tuesday on GU we have red folder. Possibly could be the low of the week on Tuesday on GU. We'll see. We also have Wednesday CPI. GU is bullish, so I can anticipate maybe a Tuesday low of the week and Wednesday continuation, depending on if we have a consolidation or a low volume day. So let's head straight on to the charts and have a look at how we traded and closed last week. So I just take off all my indicators so that way we have a relatively clean chart. Actually, I could leave on this one. This one doesn't really impact much. Alright, so we'll look at GU and we'll look at DXY chart. Yeah, I already did up some of my charts, but I just want to stick out the video. Just want to have a video to put on my channel. So my long-term drawn liquidity has been this high since we basically had this expansion, since we closed above this down close. Right, so you have a daily breaker here, order block, small daily gap that we expand away from. So this wasn't a clean C3, well C2, C3 expansion, but we did, you know, have a market structure shift with the closure above these candles here. Now I change the state of delivery. So if we drop to the 1 hour chart, we had a massive up move from Friday straight out the gate from London all the way up. On the 4 hour chart, we did have a C3 expansion. Nice move in here. And we have a unmitigated 4 hour gap. So in here, I would definitely be looking for a move. Now, if Monday happens to open and take out Friday high, I can anticipate a slight retracement into this area of liquidity. So I would be looking for this gap for GU to expand away from. I don't want it to be too long, so I'll just do my markup on GU. And we did have a C3 close, C2 closure on the 4 hour. And if we drop to the 15, we had a shift, a change in state here. So we could just be pulling back into the range. We have, we didn't close above the high, we closed inside, so we could really come back and just tap the 50% of this candle here. Small wick, expand, we have a long wick, so after expansion, reaccumulation, manipulation, distribution. So I could anticipate expansion, reaccumulation, it's a manipulation leg, and up, come back down, and then Wednesday bang, and we eventually take out a high. So I definitely would want to wait for this move. If you could get in here, maybe, you know, if you get in on Tuesday, easy 4 lots, 4 lot move. Stop loss right below this low, above this high. So this is the move I'll be looking for. And trade list up to like about 10 pips, $400 on the line, worth it. And again, trail it up as price move my way. Take a partial above these highs, let your restaurant take profit. That's what we're looking at. So I definitely will be recording trades as soon as long as we get the alert, and we would be in it and taking advantage of our internal moves on the lower time frame. So save trading, document your trades, stick to your trading plan, keep your ideas there. The market hasn't been that good this year, very inconsistent, but nevertheless, as long as you keep into your plans and your rules, we all should have good trading days. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.